Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Whew. Hi, I just finished shoveling again. If you haven't heard, our area has gotten dumped with probably a foot of snow. And it's so much fun. And it goes right along with today's message for the 14 Arrows of Love called Laugh Out Loud. And so I'm going to do this quickly, and then we're going to take a little romp outside here. So hold on, I'm inviting some people. You invite some people too. Give me some hearts and love. Hey, Alex. Hey, Angelica. All right, so I'm all bundled up because I'm going to do this quickly. So laugh out loud, right? Couple things. The oils that I use to get that laughter going on is that InnerChild oil. And I like to, I love to smell it. I dump it on, my head and often my throat, but I can't get it to there, and my heart, and it's orange. Orange is the happy oil. I love to put orange on my spleen. That's on your left side under your ribs. It's orange, tangerine, ylang ylang, jasmine, sandalwood, lemongrass, spruce, neroli. Beautiful oil blend that pulls out your inner child, right? You see my cold pink cheeks? So orange, InnerChild, and then always my buddy Frank to give us that natural boost of energy and laughter in our life. And there's a difference between laughter. Some people are sarcastic laughers. Some people have to have a joke to laugh at. And some people are just filled with joy to laugh. And I have to tell you that my grandma, Eleanor, my dad's mom, was always laughing. She always had a giggle. And when I'd say to her, it almost seemed like a nervous giggle. I have giggles. If you know me, I have lots of different laughs, and I have these giggles. Hi, Kate. Hey, Robin. It's so fun to have you guys on here in the middle of the day. Hey, Bridget. I have lots of different laughs. And my grandma, when I would say, Grandma, why do you laugh all the time? And she would say, because I am always with multiple people in my heart. And I'd also, when she lost her husband when he was 66, my grandpa died when I was 7 years old. So she was alone a lot of her life. But yet she was not alone. She's a very faith-filled religious woman. And I would say, Grandma, are you getting tired of being alone? She's like, honey, I'm never alone. And I always knew that she was never alone because she was always full of joy and laughter. So it's so beautiful to remember that memory. And my Aunt Suzette, Melody Lane's mom, has that laugh that she laughs constantly. My dad has a massively belly laugh. My mom is always laughing and cracking side jokes and laughing. I mean, totally funny. And I am always laughing, but mine is in joy. So Ed Daly, when we teach at the balance retreats, I'm talking fast because I want to go outside. I'm talking at the balance retreats, he's always saying laughter dumps dopamine. So I just Googled laughter and dopamine right now, and I love this because I do some work with addiction and with addicts, and I'm all about the natural high, right? Kundalini yoga, faith, singing at the top of your lungs, being all in the spirit, right? And so that gives us a natural high. And it says here, there's a book called A Better High by Dr. Bellis, and he says, I'm not going to argue that laughing is a more intense high than even cocaine, but the brain knows how to balance a natural high. You will never hear, that movie was so funny last night, I'm hungover. Laughter is a superior high on many levels. He also says that laughter releases the neurotransmitter dopamine. That's what Ed Daly teaches all the time, which serves as a reward for the brain, creates a sense of euphoria, and plays a pivotal role in our motivation to continue the behavior. I love to laugh. If you've ever been to one of our rallies, Kate and I, we're full of laughter up there. We love to hear you laugh. We love to laugh with you. So laughter improves immune functioning, stress relief, increased tolerance for pain, improves cardiovascular health, and reduces anxiety and improves moods. So bring on the, yep, Kate says, bring on the laughter. So you got to take a little journey with me right now because we're going to do some massive laughing. Are you ready? Hang with me. I don't need those. Remember, laughter is heightened with InnerChild, orange essential oil, and always little Frank, right? So are you ready to take a journey with me? Here we go. We're going to walk through my house. Okay, we're walking through. And I have to say, this is a present for all my friends that live in warm climates. Ed Daly, Mishael, and Dakota, and Stacy, and Matthew in Florida, and all my Aussie friends that are in summertime right now. Here is a little winter flare for you. We got a foot. Okay, let me switch the camera. Here we go. We've got over a foot of untapped snow in my backyard right here. Are you ready for this? All right, let me see. I gotta set this up. Are you ready to laugh? Because you better do this with me. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm gonna set this up. I hope you can hear me and see me when I go out there. This is out my door. And here we go. Are you ready? We're gonna laugh. Whew. All right. Are you ready? Here I go. I'm plunging down for some snow angels and a little Peddle laughing. So everybody laugh with me. Here goes. Oh, and the snow is getting wetter. So it's time to have a snowball fight. Laugh, my friends, all day and all night. Dump some dopamine, a natural high. Look at the snow. Enjoy. Ciao. Woo. Let's see if I can get back up. Enjoy the snow. I hope you enjoyed the laughter. Have a nice day.